Our Thera wellness device has a lot of cool features, and today we're going to learn about the DMI function. In short, dynamic multi-impulses, or DMI, is a supplemental procedure the device can provide to supercharge the protocol you are already planning to run. When you use the DMI modality, it includes, amongst others, Schumann waves, which are the electromagnetic oscillations also created by the planet Earth. These waves can either wake up the body, calm down an overactive body, or both. Not every client will need DMI, but for some it can be an absolute game changer. While every individual is unique, DMI tends to best benefit those who just feel off for no discernible reason.
To use the DMI function, you can hit the DMI button from the home screen to run a standalone session, though usually we add it on top of a program or program sequence we plan to run. So today I'm going to run a program sequence to help with focus and add some DMI on top. So I'm going to go to program number and enter the program numbers 433 and 434. And then I'm going to hit enter, enter again. And now we're at the program selection ready to go screen. So from here, I'll hit DMI. And then, because I'm an average adult with normal weight, I'm going to go to intensity 7. And for the time, we're going to run it for the length of the session, which is 12 minutes. So I'll set it for 12. And then, as a fun fact, lack of attention or lack of focus, trouble concentrating, can actually be the result of under-stimulation of the brainstem. So in that case, I'm going to hit Amplify. And now we're all ready to go. We've got DMI set up. And now, we'll hit channel 1 to start the session.